Okay, here is problem set number 9. You have a feature concept, and the volume of the box is length times width times height, which is a rectangular prism. And hopefully you should have known that back in middle school. Now the question is asking you to write the volume of the box of this lovely thing right here. So you're trying to find out what's this volume. Well, it gives us a two-dimensional diagram of how it looks like whenever you plan this out. So notice how my, let's say, length is 20 minus 2x. Why is it minus 2x? Well, I'm cutting this out and I'm cutting this out right here so that it makes that box. Likewise, I have to cut this out and cut this out, so I'm cutting 2 x's to both my length and my width. So that's my length and width. And my height is obviously going to be x as my height. So this here is my volume of the box. Number 2 is asking us the length of the radius of the circle represented by this lovely equation right here. So I have x squared minus 4x plus blank is equal to plus y squared minus 4y plus blank is equal to 0. My blank here is 4, my blank here is 4, so this is going to be 8. This is going to be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 8. It's asking you for the radius. 8 is not a radius. Remember that 8 is r squared. So if 8 is r squared, then r is going to be root 8, or 2 root 2. That is the length of my radius. Number 3, it's another statistics problem, and you want to find out which method is most likely to produce a random sample of 5 students. Now, looking at and thinking about the last 2 problems that we did with random sampling, you obviously know that the best results will give you random sampling. So which one is the best result to give you random sampling? Let's see. Selecting 5 club members who have brown hair. Well, what if all of you guys have brown hair? That's not going to give you the best random sampling. Selecting 5 club members who has raised the most funds. That's not going to give you the best random sampling. Selecting 5 club members from a hat containing the names of all the members, which would give you the best random sampling. And then D says selecting 5 club members who arrived last at the club meeting. Nope. So that's why our answer here for number 3 is C. Number 4, the figure below shows concentric circles with the same center but different radii. So we have chord xy and is tangent to the smaller circle. I don't like that. The radius of the larger circle is 15 centimeters and the radius of the smaller circle is 12 centimeters. What is the length of chord xy? Okay, so the radius of the larger circle is 15 centimeters. So from here to here is 15. And the radius of the smaller circle is 12. So from here to here is 12. What do you notice about the 15 to 12 in this right here? It creates a right triangle with 15 as your lovely hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. 12 squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, which is 15. 144 plus b squared is equal to 225. 225 minus 144 is going to give us 81. B squared is 81, so b is 9. So this is 8. No, not 8, sorry, 9. And if this is 9, then this is also 9, and that's 9, then chord xy is 18. Number 5, what's the approximate length of the arc subtended by an angle of 4 pi over 3 radians on a circle with a radius of 6 meters? Well, you're trying to find arc length. It already gives you radians, so it's just r times theta. Radius times 4 pi over 3. You're going to put this on Desmos, and you're going to find out the decimal equivalent of this. So 6 times 4 pi over 3, which is approximately 25.13. C. That is problem set number 9.